back to Initial Speed. This time we're doing something a little bit different. We are taking in a Toronto Blue Jays game. The nice thing is we have a student from Spain, so we get to see things through her eyes. So jump in the car, let's make it down to probably Kipling Station, grab the TTC, and run into the Dome. See you guys in a bit. So we've made it onto the train, the TTC as we call it here in Ontario. And yeah, I am going with Berta and with Paula. Alright, let's try to get there. What do you think so far?
Outside of that area, and then if you have 4 balls, you get to go first without hitting the ball. So if you get that
I just want to thank the coaches, the fans, all the support. It's been a great week. The job's not done though. But we're having a great year. We're going to come out strong second half and we're going to do big things. You're from Denver.
At this point, we decided to try to get Berta to get on the field. As you can see, there are a bunch of children. She'll be around soon, I hope.
we were up over there. Level of excellence, we were up there. All right, are you ready? Yeah. All right, see you later. Bye.
Alright, kids, come on in. Right, got a picture of them coming up. Just stay in motion. I wonder if I'll be allowed.
That was amazing, yeah.
Awesome. Are you out of breath? Was it hard to run?
No.
Perfect.
So after all of that, Toronto won, 4-2. Home time, get something to eat.
The next station is Runnymede Station.
My house is gone. I guess it was getting old. That one's kind of fun. We've made it back, and I have one question for both of these ladies. Did you enjoy the game?
Yes, we did.
Would you go back again?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Absolutely, yes.
So Toronto won against the Kansas City Royals, 4-2. How could I not have a great day? I had both of these ladies to accompany me. Anyhow, thanks again for watching Initial Speed. Don't forget to comment down below, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.